So this is some Afghanistan. Everybody went down. You let the Jones have too much fucking free time. We gotta have some of the entertainers.
We got the docs, the medics.
No more stunts for anybody. Somebody I don't know that well, somebody I know.
What's the feeling, Huck? Does it get you lightheaded?
No, I think he'll be alright.
That means it's gonna come up.
Whoa! Holy shit!
I feel a lot better now.
He just said that means it's about to come up.
Don't swallow it.